Hey, and welcome to How Rich Does It. Thank you for joining me today. Today is day 9. It is May 9th, 2020. And day 9, moving right along with my weight loss journey. I weighed in at 223.5. Yesterday was 222. Day before that was 220. And I knew there was going to be some fluctuations there. I really wasn't concerned about it. I'd say by day 11, I should pretty much know where I'm at. But it looks like my first 6 days, 7 days were right between 8 and 10 pounds of total weight loss thus far. So I'm happy with it. I don't get concerned with the scale going up or down, from day to day. As long as I'm actually seeing results, and I'm really excited to share this with you guys. I did my side-by-side pictures last night, and I did 2 poses, a front pose. Actually, I did 4 poses: front, right, left, and back pose. And I did side-by-side pictures, and I was like, wow, that is a large difference in 1 week. So I was really super excited about that. So I don't let the scale bother me. Let's not let the scale, be the mean person. We just want to feel good that we're actually attempting something, and we feel good within ourselves at first, and then we start seeing results in our body, and we also see some results on the scale. This, I'm just kind of doing it for you guys, because normally, to be honest with you, I would probably once a week take a look at the scale. I want to see results in inches lost more so than I want to see results on the scale. They kind of tend to even out. They'll balance out at some point. But right now, they'll fluctuate, especially your weight. But I'm really, really being very strict with what I'm eating. And yesterday night, I made about a gallon of my juice, and I still had quite a bit of salad. So I finished off my salad, and what I was going to do today was actually finish off the last of my salad today for lunch, and then I was going to do juicing the rest of the evening into tomorrow. Well, I really haven't had an appetite today. I've been pretty busy. I was out and about a half a day today, and I don't know. For lunch, I had 2 more pieces, 2 more drumsticks of that air fried chicken, and a really good sized salad, and just drank water. And I guess that was about noon today, and right now it's approximately 9:30 p.m. and I have zero hunger, zero cravings. So that's just me just slowing down with my eating habits. And my body is saying, hey, Rich, we are not requiring as much carbs, sugars. Now, we're not going to be wanting you to eat when you're not hungry. I've been very strict without sugar. I believe the first 2 or 3 days, I may have to go back and look at my videos. I was eating some raw honey in my oatmeal, but I think about day 4 on, I haven't had any type of sugar, period. I haven't eaten any breads, any pastas. I get really serious when I get to this point. I don't have cheat days. I don't have, things of that nature. I just get right into it. I do have green tea and water. That's it. Matter of fact, I even stopped drinking coffee, and I actually can, because I can use like a heavy cream, and I have a really good sugar substitute that I want to share with you guys. Tomorrow, I'm going to just sit down and I'm going to make a video of a couple of things that I think that would be very beneficial for you guys if you don't know about it. So kind of stay tuned for that video tomorrow. But I just don't crave coffee like that. I don't crave, different types of drinks. The only thing I did, it was a big old pitcher of Kool-Aid in the refrigerator, and I was just like, whoa, I love Kool-Aid. But no, I'm not going to do it. So I'm really sticking right into it. Let's see, what else do I have in my notes here? Okay, today I was watching a couple of videos, and some of the people that have had quite a bit of weight loss. I was, checking out some of those videos. I've had a couple of opportunities to watch videos of people that were just starting off. And one of the things that I noticed is people were saying, oh my goodness, I got up today. I was just no energy to go to the gym. And a couple other videos of people having had surgeries recently, and they were just trying to get back into physical exercise, but really we're trying to lose weight. And the main purpose of what I'm doing here in the first 30 days is I'm trying to show you guys that there is more than one way, but what I'm doing right now is it works. And you don't do any exercise. I'm not doing any exercising. I'm not, no sit-ups, none of that stuff. You can lose a lot of weight without exercising. So don't beat yourself up if you have low energy days. We all have those. A couple of days ago, I had a low energy day. I really didn't want to do too much, but that was okay because my weight loss was still continuing. So please, if you haven't seen some of my videos, go back and look at some of my videos and listen to some of the things I talked about as far as my surgery that I had a couple of months ago. I've had a total of 8 surgeries on my body. So in my time, I have learned how to lose weight without exercising. But I lost so much weight last year that I was able to exercise without any pain. Every once in a while, yes, I did have to ice. Sometimes I did have to do the Bengay, but it didn't restrict me from stopping or lifting a certain amount of weight or working out a certain amount of time. And then that's when, I was really able to see a lot of results in my body. But you remember, you can do this without having to do any exercise, any sit-ups. My first 7-8 days, I think I lost 10 pounds. It will probably slow down this week, and hopefully it'll pick up next week. But my ultimate goal in my first 30 days of no exercising, I would like to see where I'd lose, 15 pounds or so. And, a person could continue that. But beyond my 30 days, I'm going to begin my exercise regimen. So, if this brings any type of value to you, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe. Help me get these videos out to other people that could use them. Like I said, there's a lot of people out there that feel that they don't have time to lose weight because they don't have time to lose exercise, or they've just had a surgery, or they've had too many surgeries, or they have had injuries and they just are the couch potatoes, and they feel that they're not going to be able to lose weight if they don't exercise, so why even start? And share my videos with them so they can see that you can lose a lot of weight without exercising. And it's a great thing to be able to do that and know that, hey, I can go on ahead and start losing weight through what I eat, because exercise is the icing on the cake. It is a bonus, but it is absolutely not necessary. It's good for your health, but it is not necessary to lose weight. So with that said, please, once again, give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe. And like always, be safe and be kind to one another. And I'll be seeing you guys very soon. Goodbye.